Hello guys, welcome to another video. Well, currently there is a storm forming above me right now. Currently I'm in Prior Lake. Yeah, that got broken in the last storm, so we're going to have to use Zib, which is definitely not as good. But we got a storm, and now let's check this random crap. Okay, Cape, that's really good. I don't really understand anything else. Storm northeast, wind speed. I don't understand photographs. Apparently there's supposed to be like a good hook, like a hook thing. Apparently that's good, but I don't understand them. And I got a warning already. And I'm getting hail right now.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Waukesha County in north central Keota.
Okay, wind speeds are getting
Beltrami County in north central
feisty.
Keota.
64, this is Sandy. No tornadoes yet, no rotation yet. It is going in this direction, because that's what it's facing. And that's like a big convoy right there, I'm guessing. People are saying there's rotation forming, but I have no idea where. Because I don't see any rotation. I see rocks. I don't see any rotation. Okay, yep, there's rotation. I see rotation now. Okay, well, I am going to start heading down right now. And currently I'm setting up for 150,000 to try and get the dom 2. Oh, it says 2. Best one in the game. Oh, 2 tubes. 2 tubes, 2 tubes, 2. Okay, so we got a pretty wide thing right there. Should I go right? I'm starting to think I should go there so I can have a lot of time to build out. I'm gonna stay here and see what it does. Okay, it's going down. Yeah, I might go up here near Helmer. Maybe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got a yellow TVS tornado now. I don't think his touchdown yet. Okay, it's green now. Yeah, it's already on the road. That's pretty big wind thing. Yeah, I might go up here in between Pryor and Helmer. And I'm guessing that guy's just gonna follow me. He probably doesn't know it, but he's gonna be in a YouTube video today. So is this whole server. Well, if you're going to watch this video, well, congrats. If you're in this video, if you ever want to watch it. Oh wait, I think he knows what I'm trying to do. Okay. Okay. Where did the direction thing go? I don't know. to see what EF rating this is when it ends. Okay, it is turning orange, which is I think that's maximum wind speed. No, minimum or maximum. Oh, I like wide tornadoes.
County in north central Minnesota. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Prior Lake, moving east at 60 miles per hour.
Well, wait, how much
This
intercepts do
storm
I
will
have?
impact the following areas: Prior Lake, Kelma. The
11.
safest place to be during a tornado is in a
Okay.
basement. Get under workbench or
Oh!
a piece of sturdy furniture.
Shut up!
If no basement
Shush!
is available,
My dogs are
seek
going
shelter
off.
on the lowest floor of the
Um,
building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use
I
blankets
might
or
get an
pillows to
intercept
cover
today.
your
I
body.
think somebody's
And
got
always
sent
stay away
flying.
from
Oh, red TVS now. Ooh, I'm getting excited.
Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Where did it go? Okay, I think I'm in a pretty good path. Direction. Okay, I don't think that anymore. Yeah, it feels like it's going back now. What is it doing? Yeah, I'm going back over here. Okay, now it's deciding to go back here. It won't make up its mind, will it? It's not showing up there. The TVS signal is not showing up. Is that good or bad? What? Okay, I'm going back over here. If you have any tips, please comment. Maybe I'll do like a starter. Basic starter. Okay. No! Oh, that's good. That's good. Thank you, Dominator 3. Thank you very much, Dominator 3. Okay, well, I won't get very much money in this. I won't get much more. Oh, the owner of the Dominator 3 just got sent away. Hopefully, when he dies, hopefully he doesn't respawn his vehicle. Hopefully I don't fly away in his car, because that wouldn't be very good. Yo, no, that's not good. This is not good. Ow, my game's lagging so bad. Okay, now I'm on the ground. I'm very badly damaged. May as well reset. Where's my car? Where is my car? I wonder where my car is. Should I just reset so I can get my health back? Okay, I'm getting my car back. I should have brought some food with me. But that was probably a bad idea. What is that TVS thing? There's like so much people in the server right now, and there's all the way over there. Oh, there's a Dominator 3. Maybe that's the same one I was in before. Why is my game flipping out so much? It's very laggy. Oh, we got some new rotation. And the tornado's still there. We got no roofs here. no roofs. Hopefully, oh, someone's car got flipped there. Hopefully it saves, hopefully it records my audio this time. Nope, no. Whatever. Where's the nearest gas station? I should have probably gone back. I'm going back. Why is it getting windy? Okay. That's a tornado right there. I'm just gonna try and get out here because I did not want to get sucked up again. Hello, Tiv2. I'm just gonna try and heal. I'm thinking I just should reset. Yo? Oh, it's... Ooh. Just stuff it on resetting. Took long enough. Okay, good, I respawned. Where is anything? Duba Donuts. I know, why is it so laggy? I know. I had internet problems for the whole day. And why is it lagging so bad? Okay, where did I spawn? I spawned at Prior Lake. Oh no. That's pink TVS. I'm going up. Alright, that's the pink TVS one right there. Slow moving, but right now it's not very slow. Hopefully I don't get flung away in this time. I think it has a big wind field. I'm going to go turn a Keystore whatever 53, just chill along this road and wait for it to hit me. Why is my PC flipping out so bad? F H G. And I can no longer see the tornado anymore, which is bad because I can't see tornado. Oh no, the KHZL is already destroyed. Don't let it get destroyed again. I'm gonna put my lights on for some apparent reason. Okay. 66 kilometers. And I don't know American, so I'm not American. 10. Not good. Because my car can't get debris over debris because it is very low to ground. I might chill where that thorns is. Oh, that's very big tornado. Tornado, not tornado. Yeah, I might start at intersection right there. That's a very wide tornado. This might be an EF5. Oh, come on, it has to be an EF5. Okay, I just drove past it. Oh, there's another tornado over there. I might sit here. This is a slow moving one. Okay, yeah, I might go back a little bit more. Because if it keeps going in that direction, I might have a go there. If it keeps going in that. That thing has a very big wind field from there. From there to there. 1.3 kilometer wind field. And that's not even its widest. What is it? Get rid of the measurement tool. Well, I guess it's going to be stuck there and I'm going to move backwards. Dominator 3, you might die. Little bacon hair. I love bacon hairs. No, bacon hairs are cute. This tornado is a very slow moving tornado, which is good because then I get big monies if it doesn't die. Oh no, that guy says it's weakening, that's not good. Okay, I might get a little bit windy. Okay, I'm going to D4. Get in my car! No, not that safe. Okay, I'm already reaching. I'm scared. This is a big tornado. I recommend turning off shaking in settings because then you can actually see some stuff, you know. That won't open. What's the maximum wind speed this thing can handle? 282. Let's hope it doesn't go to over 282. Come on, you better get more powerful than this. Oh, I just hit over 200. 303. 308. Oh, it's going just a little bit in front of me. Okay. Did you just see that? I don't know. Oh, it's right there. Yeah. Okay, it's behind me. Will I, hopefully I get another intercept. Because I will be absolutely love that. Or I can find those directly. Tornado? I think I'm in the tornado. Yo, I got another intercept. I'm in the tornado. I wish I could just like sit here all day. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean. So I can get that big money. clear. 203. 202. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I just got rolled a little bit. Oh no! I'm getting rolled again. No! Please stop! Please stop! Oh no! I'm gonna die. Aren't I? Yeah, I'm probably gonna. Oh my god! Why is my wheel up there? What the hell? Where did my claws? Okay, my claws are very good. Where did my wheels go? That was extra low to the ground. What the hell? Wait, will I get? Wait, what? Oh, that higher spin speed didn't change, probably. Yo! What is 6 plus 6? Hold on, I'm stupid. Cause I got the double mini game pass, and that doesn't count the 2x mini. My car's still very slowly moving. I just saw a multi-vortex. Oh wait, no, they're talking about miles per hour. I'm in kilometers. Should I try and drive? I'm gonna try and drive. Yeah, I'm gonna have to walk to my roads. How far did I get flung exactly? Okay, it's not there. Okay, my probes are like right in front of me. Oh, my probes are right there. They're not even that far. Oh, I can't even drive. And I don't want to respawn because no, I should just respawn because my probes are almost dead. Well, I got a lot of money, yo, 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 yo. I got a lot of money, yo, yo, yo. I got a lot of money, let's have a little party. I got a lot of money. What kind of lot of money? I love money. Money, moolah. Okay, I'm going to do something. If you want to reset both of your probes. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to buy another probe. Purchase probe for I haven't purchased a probe in a while. For the Tiv 1. Oh no, wind speeds are picking back up. I can hear it. Okay, now I just spawn the Tiv 2 again. Now I purchased another probe. Then I got 2 full probes. Carl, get back here. That's a very wide tornado. That was exciting. Very exciting. I should have gone in a probe truck so I can get more monies, but I definitely would have been sucked up. There's no. That's not good. There's no TIV thing. Oh, not TIV, TVS. I'm stupid. There's a little tile right there. Well, that was a wild experience. I want to wait till the thingy ends. EFU. What does the EFU mean? What is the EFU rating? Yeah, okay. But what's an EFU? Is that like no torn? Is the EFU just rotation that didn't turn into a tornado? I don't know. Trouble is, can somebody answer that, please? Well, this was probably my biggest tornado ever. It's 251. I got sucked up into tornado then. Does being sucked up into a tornado count as highest wind speed? I don't know. Well, it is getting dark in the game and in real life where I am right now. And you might see the time is 3:40 p.m. But my time is messed up. Okay, I'm gonna go back to that tornado right now. And currently it is on the road, which is power flashes. More power flashes. More power flashes. I swear, if I see another power flash. Was that a power flash? I can't see no. Okay, another. Okay, that was a very big tornado. Very, very big tornado. But I forgot to take a. I don't know. I can just blah blah blah. Wind speeds are picking back up, which is not good because I'm not even close to it. There's Siri Way. Wait a minute, am I in Hazleton? I'm in Hazleton. I'm in Hazleton. This place is probably dead right now. I forgot to take a thumbnail photo. I'll survive, I'll just take it out of the recordings. La, 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 la. I'm still making money because wind speeds are over 100 kilometers. I just sure go 100 to 50, then 100 instantly. Turn the 6 until 9, 9, 11. La 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 la. I'm just waiting for the. Okay, it is 30 minutes long. That's not good because you're probably gone by now. I just. Dog! Please stop it. I just want to wait till the tornado ends so I can see the heading. Oh, day 3? Day 3. Okay, I'm just going to cut the recording. Thank you. I'll see you in a second. Hopefully I remember to put the clips back together. Okay, after a short period of time, I finally found it. It was an EF4. I'm surprised. Almost dropped my lip balm. Display windshield. It was like really big. Path length 11 kilometers. Let's see that. That's probably like below. Yeah, I'd say that's about it. But it also went off the map. Max width 850 meters wide. Next, peak wind speed. Nah, it's been more than that wind speed. 0 injuries and deaths. Nah, that has to be wrong. That has to be wrong. That's definitely dead. If it was repaired in the first place. But this is really big tornado. Like the second biggest one I've ever seen, probably. Well, thank you very much. Oh, there's another tip one over there. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope it wasn't too long. Probably is. But please like and subscribe. It will help out this channel a ton and motivate me to make more videos. Yeah. Thank you again for watching. Please watch some more of my videos, and it should be right here and right here, the two videos you should watch. Yay! Bye bye.